Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up card layouts and spacing rules in Figma step by step clearly. Open Figma and start a new design file. Select the frame tool from the top menu. Draw a frame that will serve as your card layout. Decide on the size of your card. For this example, let's use a width of 300 pixels and a height of 400 pixels. With the frame selected, apply a fill color to the card. Choose a color from the Properties panel on the right. Next, create a rectangle for the image placeholder. Set the rectangle's width to 100% and height to 60% of the card frame. Position the rectangle at the top of the card. Add a title text box below the image placeholder. Use the text tool to create the title and set the font size to 24 pixels. Adjust the alignment to center the text. Create another text box for the description below the title. Set the font size for the description to 14 pixels. Keep the text aligned to the left. Now, let's add padding to the card layout. Select the card and add a padding of 16 pixels to the top, right, bottom, and left. To set consistent spacing between elements, focus on the vertical spacing first. Set the distance between the image and title to 8 pixels. Adjust the distance between the title and description to 4 pixels. Now, group the elements within the card. Select all elements and use the Group Selection command. This will allow you to move and adjust the card as a single unit. Next, create additional cards by duplicating your original card. Select the card and use the shortcut Ctrl+D or Command+D. Arrange the cards in a grid format to maintain consistency. Ensure there is even spacing between each card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.